sorry. I'm so sorry because I am not I'm smart to speaking English because I am a globe. Okay? I am a globe. I am not smart. Sila smart. Ikaw, you smart. Me, globe. Globe, TNT, TM. Joke lang. I am globe. Do you understand? It's me, I mean is, ayun nga lang. I mean is, if I don't, ano yun pag sa English, anong hanap ng lalaki na matino?
Yes.
Ang ina po to. If I don't have a hanap-hanap man is tapat for me or cheating on me, I gonna hanap-hanap in the America or anything flag. County para. Anything county. Hanap-hanap is ganun, no? See. Kita-kita, ganun. Kita. Ganun. Okay? Do you understand?
Ay na, nagagawa na.
Like, respectful for me. And, he is, ano sa English yung matapat? Faithful? Ano sa English yung matapat? Ano yun? Ano ba? Ano ang English ng matapat?
Yes.
Faithful, faithful nga. I gonna hanap like man is a faithful, respectful, and she not pahiya me for others peoples. Period. Magtagalog na nga lang, hirap eh.